Shit. Good.
So you got both the doorknobs on?
Yeah. Yep. Got both doorknobs on. It's all sanded from here. And I'm just doing that back wall. See, doorknobs.
Mm-hmm. It looks totally different with these doors and it's all blocked in now.
Yeah. And once we get this painted, they look beautiful. I do need to get something right here. And what else was it? That's it. That is it. Your little feet are gonna get dirty.
They're worshipful. So here's the doors
Got some doors.
going up in the basement. The basement's not finished, but we just got the news that we can start on it here this winter. So this is the biggest project that's coming here pretty soon. And then we're gonna do our deck. And then we're gonna extend a back door out to the garage, going out to the back door or backyard. So here it is. There's my baby doing what he loves doing.
Yep.
My
I was
little,
thinking that.
my little Mexican.
The little Mexican. Yep.
To be continued.